Good morning. This is Ron Janish. This video is going to cover a concept called using big data to find reversals in the S&P. Now, as you look at these charts, okay, these are simple 4-hour charts. You can use 2 hours if you want, but nevertheless, it's 4 hours. And notice that these reversals took place at a morning hour, somewhere around 6 o'clock or 6:30, and or maybe a little later in some cases. Let's take a look. Here we go, 6 a.m. and here's another one, 6 a.m. Okay, so we're looking for reversals that are taking place around early in the morning. Okay, and then after the reversal occurs, we get what we call at least a three-wave move, or a three-pivot move. So here's 1, 2, 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. And then here we go is 1, 2. Oops, here we go. Oops. 1, 2, 3. And once again, 1, 2, 3. Okay? So these are the moves we're looking for. So is there a reasonably easy way to find this? Well, the thing is that, if we're looking at the S&P data here, and we would have to use, in order to use what we call big data, we would have to use data from somewhere else, right? So let's take a look at data from somewhere else. Here is the VIX futures. These are, what are these called? VIX July futures contract, okay? And what we've done here is simply put down what's called the Babson reversal line. And now these where we wrote reversal is essentially here, which is at here we have prices coming down to the line at 10 o'clock on 5/16. Let's quickly look at over here. Okay, so here we are. Here we are, 10 o'clock on 5/16. Okay. Here we are. Here we are at 6 o'clock on 6/5. Here we go. Here's your A, B, C. Okay. Or 1, 2, 3. Let's take a look at the next one. Here we are. Came down to the line on at 6/9 at 6 o'clock in the morning. Just so you know, if you notice these lows here, look at these lows here. These were below the line already. So we're waiting for prices to make a new low when they hit the line, maybe, and go past it if possible. And price making a high in the S&P at the same time. And we're looking for that to occur in the morning. Okay, so here we go. Here we are on 6/9 at 6 o'clock in the morning. And here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay. We got to 6/9. Take a look here. Here's 6/9. So here's 6/19. See how prices kind of wiggled down and finally made it down to the reversal line over here. Okay. And so here we are. It's 619 at 6 o'clock in the morning, and let's see what happens. There we are. Here's 6 o'clock. Well, here's 10. Goes a little bit higher. Boom. Here's your reversal. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, interestingly enough, on this day here, I put out a video in real time. Okay, and noticing that, hey, gee, prices are coming right up to the line here, and if prices reversed here, it'd be really interesting. I said something like that in the VIX, and as you can see with perfect 2020 hindsight now, this is what happened. And the particular indicator that I used on 619 is the same one that's used for determining that line. Okay, so let's take a look at one more example. Okay, so we have this high here, 626, 1, 2, 3. And sure enough, here we are. Oops, this one says 626, 1, 2, 3. Here we are. Prices did go down to the line, and then they kept on trying to break through it. Let's see what happened over here. It made the high, and then started going down. And there's your 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is a really nice example of using big data to determine reversal points. Okay, now you might be asking, what is this indicator that's used here? It looks like a straight line, and the answer is it is, but it's not just any line. This is what's called the Babson reversal line. Right? So, so you know. Anyway, if you got any questions, I can be reached over at support@andrewscourse.com. Give me a buzz, and we'll go from there. Have a good day. Bye.